is here. I unboxed it already. I thought I was recording. But check this out. Oh, look at this, guys. My new drone, the Mavic Air. Oh yeah. I figured this would be quite nice. Let's figure out the opening here. Opening ceremony of the drone, guys. Alright, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, I got a case. Oh, there's the case, guys. Guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to get this thing out. I'm guessing the drone is in here. Look at that. Onyx black. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. I was always wanting one of these. And guess what? I finally got one. Thank goodness for that. There it is. The big Mavic Air. Oh, it's so pretty. It's much more prettier in person. A lot more prettier in person, guys. Alright. So yeah. There she is. There's that. Alright. What I just got the regular I didn't get the Fly More combo. I just got the regular pack, but you know, I just figured I ordered an extra battery and it's already here. It actually beat the drone here. It's kind of weird because I ordered the battery way after the drone, and it must have been faster shipping. What we got in this lovely box, guys? What do we have in here? Oh, it looks like all my accessories, all my prop guards. Prop guards. Alright. What we got here? Oh, there's my new blades. Hey. This is looking pretty neat, guys. That's a pretty cool packaging. Let's see here. What's this here? Oh, we're here to help. DJI. But I hear customer service is kind of bland. Got all the instruction manual. Looks like Japanese and Chinese and Yoda, and I think that's it, guys, in that box. Okay, so on to the next. What do we got here? What do we have here, guys? Oh, it's the remote. Oh, the remote. Ha! And look at this. All these little stickers on here. Yeah, I'll take that off of there. Make sure my joysticks are in there. Oh, they're in there, guys. They're in there. So unfolded. There they are. So I don't have to worry about that. Man, this thing is much more better looking in person than it is just watching it on YouTube, guys. I mean, it is a heck of a lot more. I mean, I can't even explain what we got here. Oh, here's my charger. Well, my pack for my charger. Got that. Got the cables. Got the plug-ins. Guys, I can't explain. Like I said, I just can't explain how this is compared to watching on videos. This is way more. I mean, it is a lot more. I mean, I just get, like I said, I can't even explain it, guys. Yeah, in person, it is just way much more cooler in person, guys. I mean, so much cooler. I can't wait to get this thing out and get it updated and go out and fly. And I hope I can get all that done today, because it's a beautiful day out there. Let me see what else is in here. I can't get my head in there, but I think that's all of it. Well, unless you want to consider this. Keep it fresh, guys. Okay, there we go. So that's that on that, guys. That's the unboxing of my new Mavic Air drone. I got more cables. That's the speed cable there. That is the unboxing there, guys. More cables. Like I said, this thing, guys, is way more way more. I mean, it is crazy. I was wondering about this. That's my extra joysticks. So yeah, I'll put those down there. That way I don't forget them. Way more better in person though, guys. I mean, I can't explain how much neater this is to look at it in hand. I just don't understand. Like, I thought it was cool just watching it on YouTube, but now I've actually got one. Guys, this thing is awesome. I mean, just by holding it in my hand, I know I'm just going to have a lot of fun flying this thing. It's crazy, I know, but let's see if it's got any charge left in it. Nope. Completely dead, guys. So, that's what I'm going to start doing now. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to start charging. I'm going to get ready to go do the software update or firmware updates. And get you guys some good footage and ready to go. Alright, guys? So, that's the unboxing of my new drone. And I hope you guessed it, but I seen nobody didn't even watch my video, so I hope somebody's watching this, because this is interesting, guys. I can't wait to get this out there. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. There's more to come. As you see, I've now got the Mavic Air in hand, and I'm ready to fly. So, alright, guys, I'll see you here. Hopefully I can get some video today, and I'll be busting them out like crazy now. So, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like my videos, comment below, and share whatever. Hey, it's all good, guys. So please like and subscribe if you haven't, and well, subscribe and like if you haven't. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, watch my videos and like them. Okay, guys? And hit that notification bell on the side there, and you get notifications, and I'll be uploading videos constantly. Now, well, not constantly, but I will be uploading videos pretty much every day. I'm gonna catch some pretty cool shots with this. I can't wait. Alright, guys, peace out. Thank you.